More and more people are getting cancer around the world. Cancer is a deadly disease that happens when cells in the body start to act in strange ways and start to multiply in strange ways. The cancer cells then stick together to make a mass, and soon after that, the mass spreads to other parts of the body. Lucky for you, your body will often show signs of lung cancer early on, so you can catch it early. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the early signs and symptoms of lung cancer. But before we begin our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. Number 10. Fatter fingertips. Some lung tumors make chemicals that act like hormones. One of them makes your fingertips look thicker or bigger than usual because it sends more blood and fluid to them. When you look at your nails from the side, the skin next to them may look shiny or they may curve more than usual. Finger clubbing is rare, but it is strongly linked to lung cancer. About 80% of people who have finger clubbing also have lung cancer. Number 9. Blood clots, DVT, and PE. People with lung cancer are more likely to get blood clots in their legs or arms, called deep vein thrombosis, and lungs, pulmonary embolism. We don't really know why. Cancer could cause inflammation that makes the blood clot, or chemicals in the tumor could cause the blood to clot. If you have a blood clot and other signs of cancer, like sudden weight loss, your doctor may do tests. Number 8. Wheezing. As tumors take up space in the lungs can't hold as much air. This makes it hard to breathe deeply and also makes the person wheeze. It gets hard to breathe normally all the time. Wheezing is also made worse by the fact that lung infections often go along with lung cancer. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, you should always talk to a doctor. Number 7. Lung infections. Cancer makes the body's immune system weaker. Since the body is getting weaker, it is more likely to get sick. Some of the first signs of lung cancer are lung diseases like pneumonia, bronchitis, etc. These infections keep coming back, which causes a lot of pain for the people who have them. Number 6. Pain in the chest. Even though the malignant mass in the chest might not be felt at first, there is still a chance that it is present inside the thorax. As a result, the discomfort is felt in the chest. The chest hurts when you do anything that puts pressure on or fills up the lungs, such as taking a deep breath, coughing, laughing, sneezing, or any of the other activities listed. There is also a possibility that the pain will move to the back and shoulders. Number 5. Hoarse sound. It is typical for the voice to become hoarse as a result of the persistent coughing. A painful sensation in the trachea may also be brought on by it. Number 4. Coughing blood or bloody phlegm. One of the early indicators of lung cancer that may be more concerning is coughing up blood. Other early signs include chest pain and a persistent cough. It is also possible for there to be blood present in the mucus or the sputum. A hacking cough that produces blood is an unmistakable indication of lung illness. You should make an appointment with a medical professional as soon as possible if you have other symptoms along with a cough that produces blood. Number 3. Sudden weight loss. As a result of the fact that malignant cells use the majority of the body's nutrition, there is not much left over for the body's other cells. Because there is not enough energy, the body's reserves are also used up, which ultimately leads to a loss of weight. Number 2. Weakness and lethargy. Cancer cells divide at an alarming rate, which causes them to outcompete and kill other cells in their immediate environment. Not only do they consume up a significant portion of the body's nutrition, but they also have the ability to destroy other cells, which prevents those cells from performing the functions for which they were designed. They also consume a significant amount of oxygen, which is essential for the production of energy and causes people to feel exhausted all the time. Due to the fact that these cells perform essential functions within the body but are not receiving sufficient fuel, they are unable to perform those functions to the best of their abilities. Additionally, it frequently leads to anemia towards the end of the line. Number 1. Cough. People who have lung cancer frequently cough, and it is not difficult to understand why this occurs. Even if coughing on its own isn't necessarily a particularly telling indicator of the disease, the persistent coughing that occurs as a result of cancer is easy to recognize because it's not caused by anything else. People cough for extended periods of time only very infrequently, but when other factors are considered, this can be a cause for concern. So that's it for today. We hope you found our video informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.